So we're starting with the 103 Soft Focus Powder Brush, and this is a really great all-rounder brush. I'm going to be using it to start with a liquid foundation. You can use this with any kind of foundation, so it would work great with a powder, but I find the really super soft bristles are actually really great to blend in any liquids that you might be using. So I like to just put the coverage where I need it, and then take the big fluffy brush and just let the bristles do the work for you. The great thing about using a brush like this for foundation is that you get a really nice even coverage, but it's super quick. Whereas with a smaller brush, it would take you a little bit longer. And you can just keep building that. I would maybe go for a little bit more just in certain areas where I tend to have a bit of redness or the odd little imperfection. But you don't need to be too precise. The trick with this brush is to let it do the work for you. So if you hold it at the end of the brush rather than super close, it will give you a much lighter application of whatever it is that you're using. So whether that's your setting powder or your foundation, hold it right at the end and that will give you a really natural look.